Malaga, situated on the stunning Costa del Sol in southern Spain, is a vibrant and culturally rich city that offers a plethora of activities and attractions for travelers seeking a memorable experience. Known for its Mediterranean climate, beautiful beaches, and a fascinating blend of historic and modern elements, Malaga is a destination that caters to a wide range of interests. One of the most iconic attractions in Malaga is the Alcazaba, a well-preserved Moorish fortress that stands as a testament to the city's rich history. This historic gem offers visitors the opportunity to explore its intricate architecture, lush gardens, and panoramic views of the city and the sea. Nearby, you'll find the Gibralfaro Castle, another Moorish fortress offering breathtaking vistas of the Mediterranean and the cityscape. Malaga is also renowned as the birthplace of the famous artist Pablo Picasso, and his legacy is celebrated at the Picasso Museum. This museum houses an extensive collection of his works, providing art enthusiasts with an in-depth look at his artistic evolution. Art lovers can also appreciate the Centre Pompidou, a branch of the renowned French Museum, which showcases contemporary art and hosts rotating exhibitions. For those seeking a taste of authentic Andalusian culture, a visit to the historic Old Town, known as the Casco Antiguo, is a must. Wander through its charming narrow streets, adorned with colorful flowers, and stumble upon picturesque squares like Plaza de la Constitución and Plaza de la Merced. Here, you can savor traditional Spanish cuisine at local tapas bars or dine in style at one of the city's upscale restaurants. Malaga's coastline is another major draw, with numerous beautiful beaches to choose from. Whether you prefer the lively atmosphere of La Malagueta Beach, the tranquil coves of Pedregulillo, or the natural beauty of El Palo Beach, you'll find the perfect spot to soak up the sun and enjoy the refreshing waters of the Mediterranean. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the Malaga Cathedral, also known as La Manquita due to its unfinished South Tower, is a must. The cathedral's interior boasts stunning Gothic and Renaissance architecture, with ornate chapels and a beautifully adorned altar. Malaga's cultural scene goes beyond art and history, as it hosts various festivals and events throughout the year. The Malaga Film Festival, Semana Santa, Holy Week, and the Feria de Malaga are just a few examples of the vibrant cultural celebrations that take place, offering a glimpse into the city's lively spirit. Nature lovers can escape to the Montes de Malaga Natural Park, located just a short drive from the city center. Here, you can hike through lush forests, enjoy a picnic, and marvel at the stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Malaga also serves as a gateway to exploring the wider Andalusian region. You can take day trips to nearby destinations like Ronda, Granada, and Seville, each offering its own unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. In summary, Malaga is a multifaceted destination that caters to a wide range of interests. From its rich history and vibrant art scene to its beautiful beaches, delicious cuisine, and lively festivals, this city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered by travelers from around the world. Whether you're an art aficionado, a history buff, a sun-seeker, or a food lover, Malaga has something to offer everyone, making it a must-visit destination on any journey through southern Spain.